Mini washing machines are the perfect solution for those who have small room but hate going to the laundromat. Compact washing machines are very space-saving, and they do their job as great as the larger ones. In this video we're checking out the top 5 best mini washing machines for you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, compact washing machine with LED display. Compared to the others, this one is probably large among the best mini washing machines. However, its size is also space-saving as well, so maybe you might want to check it out. This is a top-loading portable washing machine with LED display panel that you will like. It is very easy and convenient to use, and it is also compact as well actually. There are 5 wash cycles, and washing will never easier with the help from this mini washing machine. The unique part is that it comes with steel drum for strong and durability performance and quality for you. Along with that, this washing machine also works quietly as well, which is simply great to have. The best part that we like the most is the fact that it comes with rollers for easy movement. It is portable and easy to use, and it can handle quite large amount of clothes for you. Many users are happy with this option, so let's see if you like it too. At number 4, portable washing and spin dryer machine. Comes with top loading system. This mini washing machine is very easy and simple to use. Simply insert the detergent and water into the dryer combo, and it will do the washing job for you. This washing machine has a high-powered motor of 250 watts to offer the best performance possible for you. At the same time, it features 120 watts motor of spin drying, which makes it perfect for small laundry loads. Along with that, you can easily watch the process through the translucent tub container window as well. Plus, with the rotary controls for wash timer, program, drain selector, and spin timer, this mini washing machine has everything for you. This option comes in a set that includes a power cord and drain hose for convenient use. You won't need to install anything at all, and you can use it right out of the box easily. We like its design and performance, and we think you will like it too. At number 3, COMFEE portable washing machine. This top-load compact washing machine with only 18.1 inches in width, 17.7 inches in depth, and 31.5 inches in height, this portable washer is able to be stored easily. You can store it in your cabinet, RV, dorm, or even bathtub. Even better, it comes with wheels and handles for easy movement. It is a perfect choice for small households with limited space and minimal optimal. With the transparent lid design, this washing machine allows you to see and monitor the water and washing conditions. Featuring a durable rust-resistant steel inner tub, lint filter, water inlet and drain pump which allows you to easily drain out dirty water. In addition, this portable laundry washing machine has an LED display that shows the time left to finish. This compact design washing machine has DOE, Department of Energy, certificate that clearly shows how much energy would be consumed on national average conditions. At number 2, compact and easy mini washing machine. Worry no more about complications in washing your clothes and delicate because this washing machine is going to change that. It makes washing very simple and easy, and laundry is no longer a hassle. The machine comes with a system that allows for easy spinning, washing, and draining. That allows you to wash and clean your clothes in less than 10 minutes, which is super convenient. Not every mini washing machine out there can do that, so don't overlook this option. That is not all, its size is also compact and portable as well. That way, you can easily bring it along with to camping, boating, and many more. It is powerful, gentle, and efficient, and it is one of the best mini washing machines to have at home. This washing machine does not even need electricity, and it uses less amount of water. If this is not a high-quality mini washing machine to have, we don't know what is. Finally at number 1, compact electric laundry dryer. Here we have a sleek mini washing machine with the highest reviews on Amazon.com. This option comes with just the perfect size that saves space while allowing you to dry up to 5.5 pounds of clothes. The amazing thing about it is the stainless steel tub that provides durability for long-term use. On top of that, it even features the see-through window that you can monitor the washing process. Plus, with its 2 drying temperature, this mini washing machine also offers better fabric care as well. Not to mention the anti-wrinkle selection that provides periodic tumbling. This is one of the best mini washing machines to consider. From style to quality, it has them all. We highly recommend this option, so don't forget to check it out. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.